Shazan, your doubts were clear for that trigonometric question?
Ma'am, have you sent? Yeah, but I sent you one more doubt.
Send me one more doubt. 3 tan is equal to 4 sin A, then 10 cos A and cot A. Okay, this is also fine. So, the first question that you have done.
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
Sin and cos you have done. Yes.
Yes.
3 sin theta is equal to 4 cos theta, and this one 3 tan A is equal to 4 sin A. So tan can be written as sin by cos. Okay, am I right? Sin by cos.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so sin both sides can be cancelled. Yes, Shazan. So 3
yes,
by cos is equal to 4. So cos value will be equal to 3 by 4.
Okay.
Okay, so you have got the value of cos. Find the relation.
Find the value for
okay,
cos
A
to
to
cot A. 4 by 3.
Cos A and cot A. So cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A, and okay, you just write down this simple tan A can be written as 1 by cot A. Okay, Shazan, you just have to find the relation between cosec and cot. Na? So tan can be written as 1 by cot, and sin can be written as 1 by cosec. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just let me open the 10th section. Okay, here, if I write the question somewhere here. If I write your question is this: 3 tan A is equal to 4 sin A. Am I right, Shazan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
yes,
you can write 3 1 by cot A is equal to 4 1 by cosec A. Okay, now you can just switch it. Cosec A is equal to 4 cot A. Have you got that? Okay.
Oh, yes, I got it.
Okay. Now I'm going to start because Razi is also here. So I'll switch this to 9th. Otherwise, Razi will be confused at what happened to ma'am and what she is teaching. Okay. Everybody, what about the test? I think
what test?
You have given, everybody has given the test of natural numbers. So yes, any doubt in the question paper?
No.
No, ma'am. No doubts? You want to discuss the question paper?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, Razi, you were saying something?
I just want answers.
I was not able to do question number 19 and 18.
You have done 19 and 18. Yes. Okay, just a minute. Question paper. Here I can see the question. Question number 19. Find the value of 4 by 216 to the power minus 2 by 3. Okay, let me copy this question here. Okay, just a minute. It's taking 1 to 2 minutes time. Okay. Question number 19 is, I think, this one. Wait. Okay, question number 19, I'll copy from here. Razi, you have problem in question number 19 now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this is the question. Okay. So, Razi, this if you write anything in power minus, so what that means? Like it is written 4 divided by
root.
No, yeah, it's root. That's correct. Not root.
If it's written minus, it will go to the numerator, and if it's in the it will go to the
6.
denominator. And if it's in the denominator,
4 into 216 to the power 2 by 3. Okay. Power is negative. That means it is power is negative. That means you can shift it to your numerator. Okay. Plus 1 into 256 to the power 3 by 4. Plus 2 into 243 to the power 1 by 5. Okay. Got this, Razi? Yeah. Now try to means it is 216. You try to find a number whose cube root, because you can see 2 by 3. If it is in the cube root form, so you can cancel this 3. Okay. So it is 6 to the power 3. 2 by 3. Okay. 6
cube.
36 3 is 216. Okay. Plus 1 into 256 can be written as 4 to the power of 4, 3 by 4. Okay. Plus it is 243. 2 into 3 to the power of 5, 1 by 5. Okay, Razi. Now if you see here, it can get cancelled. So you'll get here 6 square plus 1 into
4
cube
plus 2
plus 2 into 3. 5 will be cancelled, but still 3 will remain. So 6 6 are 36 plus 64 plus 6. So your total sum will be 214. Any doubt, Razi, now?
No, I got it.
Okay, I'll write here. This is your paper now. I will change it. Okay, just give me 1 minute quickly. So, all of you wanted the answers. Okay, yeah. So, if you see the question number first, x is equal to 7 plus 4 root 3. Then what is the value of the expression x plus 1 by x? So, in this, what you have to
just put the value of x in there.
Yeah, because before that you can see that it is in a irrational number. Okay, when you are writing just x, that is okay, but for 1 by x, first rationalize it and then put the value.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I rationalized it.
Okay, and after that you'll keep the in place of x you'll write 7 plus 4 root 3, and in 1 by x, after rationalizing 7 plus 4 root 3 you will keep. So your answer will be 14. Exact answer will be 14, because this will give you this expression is 7 plus 4 root 3, and it is plus, when you will rationalize 1 by x, then you will get 7 minus 4 root 3. So you will get the answer is 14, because this and this will get cancelled. So 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Okay, for first one. Any doubt, anybody? Second one. Which rational number lies between root 2 and root 3? You can find various rational numbers. Okay, so rational numbers, you can just get the points. Okay, that root 2
is correct.
Okay, so root 2, that's very good. So root 2 will be equal to 1.414 and root 3 will be equal to 1.732. Okay, so you can find any rational number between these two numbers. So between 1.4 you can
Ma'am, I got 4 by 3. So is it correct?
4 by 3. Wait.
No, wait. Root 2 and root 3, between we need to find a rational number.
Yeah, you can get the points. Okay, root 2 is equal to what? 1.414. Root 3 is equal to 1.7.
Oh my God, it's wrong.
Between this, you can find any number like 1.445. You can write 1.5. Okay, like this you can write. Okay. Now, the second one, you can have various rational numbers. It cannot be fixed that only one rational number will be there between this. Okay, there are, in fact, I told you there are infinite rational numbers between two rational numbers. There are infinite irrational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay. So, first, second, third. Okay, this one. Okay, first, you have to check from here. First, second, and third. If you see here, Shazan, how can you do this wrong? You have an option to choose first, second, and third. In question number
I got it right. Root 2 plus root 3 by 2. I got this answer.
No, how can you write root 2 plus root 3 by 2? It is asking you a rational number. And
there wasn't any option.
Root 3 will always be an irrational number. Root 3 into root 2 into root 3 will always be an irrational number. Only 1.5 can be a rational number.
Ma'am, there was no option.
The first and second will always be an irrational number. And the irrational number cannot be between. Yeah?
I did that one right.
Yeah, very good. And Advika, Razi, do you have any doubt in this? Question number second. It is here root 2 plus root 3, Shazan, okay, by 2. So this number will always be a irrational number. So irrational number cannot be in between a rational number. You have to find a rational number, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it will be 1.5 only. Now simplify. This thing, I think simplify this one is easy, because 25, you can write, and 5 also, 1 by 3.
5.
You can add the powers. You can write 25 also in form of 5. Okay, and then you can add the powers. Okay?
Ma'am, instead of 5 square, I wrote 5 cube.
Instead of 5 square, why you write 5 cube? So it will be.
Ma'am, I am sure I'm going to do 125 in the question.
This will be 5 to the power 2 by 3 multiplied by 5 to the power 1 by 3. So when you will add it, you will get 5 to the power 3 by 3. So 3 by 3 will give you what? 1. So it will be equal to 5, because you'll get 5 3 by 3, which will give you 5. Okay. Now, fourth one. Find the value of 4 root 16. So 16 can be written as
4 square. 2 to the power 4 to the power 4 to the
yes,
power 4.
it can be written as 2 to the power 4.
And 3 to the, divided by 3 to the power 4, then 4 to the power 4, then 4 into 1 by 4.
1 can be written as 3 to the power 4 to the power 1 by 4. So what you will get? 2 by 3.
Yes.
Am I right? Your answer will be 2 by 3. Okay. Now, question number 5. Show that these are all 1 marks question. Okay. That's why they are very easy. The 5 questions are 1 marks, then 5 question 2 marks, 5 3, and then 5 4. Okay. Total is of 50 marks. Show that 1 upon, this one is also easy, 1 upon 1 plus x to the power a plus b plus 1 upon x to the power b by a is equal to 1. So what you are going to do? You are going to take the LCM. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
In fact, you can write this as, okay, 8 minus b and b minus a. Okay, instead of this, I'll copy it. Select one of fixed. There I go. Why it is so? Okay, let it be. Okay, now here, a to the power minus b. Okay, so minus means it will be in denominator. So you can write it here. Okay, you can write it as 1 upon 1 plus x to the power a upon x to the power b. Okay, plus 1 upon 1 plus x to the power b upon x to the power a. Okay, take the LHS, because you have to show LHS that this is equal to 1. So only take the LHS. Okay, now if we will take the LCM here, okay, so it will be 1 upon x to the b plus x to the power a upon x to the power b plus 1 upon x to the power a plus x to the power b upon whole x to the power a. Now this will go above side, okay? So it will be x to the power b by, you can write x to the power a plus x to the power b plus 1 upon, so not 1, x to the power a upon x to the power a plus x to the power b. Now if you take the LCM, what you will get? Both are same, so x to the power a plus x to the power b upon x to the power b plus x to the power a. So both are same only. It is x to the power. If you rearrange it, the x to the power a plus x to the power b upon x to the power a plus x to the power b. So both will get cancelled and we will get 1. Any doubt? Everybody has proved this?
Ma'am, I forgot to send the another page.
Forgot to send?
The last means the page means I made question number 5 in 2 pages and I sent the 1 page in the second page as well.
Just take care when you're sending the pages, okay? Now this one, everybody can have a different number, so it will be checked in the paper only, okay? And a rational number, irrational number, everybody know. If you're finding a rational number between 2 rational numbers, you can add a plus b by 2. And
So I used the formula.
And for the seventh question,
I used the same one. I got 1 by 20.
yes, okay, fine. And if irrational number, just find the points and you can insert any number, okay? Any non-terminating number. Just,
Yes, ma'am. Like I got 0.41411 like that.
yeah, like this, any number you can generate, okay? It cannot be fixed that, because there will be infinite numbers, okay? So it is not fixed that which number you are going to choose, okay? So everybody can get a different answer.
Ma'am, in the seventh question, it's I got 2 by 3. Is that right?
2 by 3. Seventh question, what is the answer? Let me check. Seventh, it will be 1 by 15. Okay. See, the two equation that you will form. The one equation will be 10x is equal to 6 bar. First equation will be this, okay? And the second equation that you will form here will be, you will take the 6 outside, okay? So it will be 100x is equal to 6.6 bar, okay? So when you will minus 100 from 10x, you will get what you will get? You will get 90x is equal to 6. So 90x is equal to 6, you will get what? X is equal to 6 by 90. So 6 by 90 will give you what?
I'm actually in this equation we need to take like equation 1, 2, and 3, ma'am.
Equation 1, 2,
But
3.
ma'am,
You can find, see, you are going to use two equations. The main two equation that you are going to use, that the first equation that you would have formed will be x is equal to 0.06 bar. That was your first equation, Shazad?
Yes, ma'am. And second equation was 10x equal to 0.6 bar.
The main two equation that you will be subtracting, what you want? You want to cancel this 6 bar. So the main two equation that you will be subtracting from each other will be 10x is equal to 0.6 bar. The other will be 100x is equal to 6.6 bar. Okay. So when you will subtract, then only your 6 bar will be cancelled completely. Understood? So when you completely 6 bar will be cancelled, so what you will get? You will get 6 by 90. And if you divide 6 by 90, you'll get 1 by 15. Okay? Because 6 multiplied by 15 will give you 90. Now, question number 8. Any doubt? Anybody? Razi, Advika? Advika, yeah, have you given the text?
No, ma'am.
Advika,
I got one to take actually. I did because I wrote 0.6666, not 0.0666.
No, you I have. See, whenever you have to make sure you have to cancel this bar thing. Okay? So, that's why we form equation. Okay, so x is equal to 0.06 bar will be your first equation, or you can write.
I got it.
Okay,
I got it. I wrote the wrong question.
Oh, make sure that you copy the right question and the process also, remember. Okay, now question number 7. Express 7 we have done. Question number 8. If root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 is equal to a plus b root 3, find the value. Now this one is easy. You just have to rationalize the denominator. Okay, and after rationalizing the denominator, you will get the answer in the form of a plus b root 3 only. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. It is 2 plus 1 root 3.
Yeah, 2 plus root 3. Correct. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you will compare LHS to RHS, you will get the value of a as 2 and the value of b as 1. Okay. Now, question number 9. If root 2 is 1.414 and root 3 is 1.732, find the value of 4 upon 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2 plus 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay. Now, here if you will take the LCM, so after taking the LCM, you can see it is of the form a plus b, a minus b. So it will be a square, the denominator, a square minus b square. And in the numerator also, what you will get? Numerator 4 multiplied will be 3 root 3 plus 2. The final answer I am telling you, the final answer is 2.06316. Have you got the question how you are going to do? When you are going to take the LCM, so let's see, it is
Yes, ma'am.
a
It is
plus b minus.
2.062.
The final answer is 2.06, or you can say 39.2 by 90 divided by 90.
No, ma'am, I got this.
Okay, or I can tell you in root form. Okay, because root
No,
value
ma'am, that's fine, ma'am.
it will be in the root form. You will get 21 root 3 plus 2 root 2 upon 19. This you would have got. Okay, after solving this. Okay, because see, if you take the LCM, it will be a square minus b square form, and this will be multiplied to this. This will be multiplied to this. Okay, and when you after expanding, when you put the value, means you'll get this expression, and in this expression, you are going to put the value of root 3 and root 2. Okay. Now, question number 10. If x to the power 5 to the power x by 3 into 3 to the power 2x minus 8 is equal to 225. Now, how you will get the value of x here? What you have to do, you have to means what I say that 225 को आपको इस तरह से आपको distribute करना है
25 into 9
power and you'll get in 3 power. Okay, understood? So you are going to put 225 as 5 to
excuse me ma'am, I did it like this. Ma'am, can you tell the final answer of x?
The final answer of x is 5.
Yes, I got the same right.
Okay, so how you did it?
Ma'am, I did it like it's 5x minus 3, so I into 3 to the power 2x minus 8, so I written it that 5 to the power x by 5 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2x divided by 3 to the power 8. Now cross multiplication.
You're speaking so fast, Shadhan.
Ma'am, first I actually like it's 5 to the power x minus 3, so this means it is 5x by 5 to the power 3.
Yes.
Into 3x by 3 to the power 8.
Okay, you have 3 to the power 2x upon 3 to the power 8. Yes. Okay.
Yes, I did it.
Okay, that way also you can do. Okay, so everybody understood. Now here, when I will compare the value of 5 on both the side LHS, RHS, so x minus 3 will be equal to 2 and 2x minus 8 will be equal to 2. So you will solve any one of the equation and get the value of x. Okay, everybody. Now, it's question number 8. It is the same like the question number 7. Okay, you have to form the equation and then you will get the answer. I'll just tell you the final answer here. The final answer is a little lengthy. It is 3180. I'll write here 318023 upon 9,900. Okay.
I got the same answer. Let's go.
Okay, because there are too many numbers. Okay, so that's why value is very big. Simplify. Now simplify. I don't think so. Anybody has any doubt in
no, ma'am. No.
Okay.
Sorry,
the final answer will be?
In your question, you got 4 plus root 5 and 4 plus root 5, both the side. Okay, then it would be little different. I cannot tell you the answer right now. It is a mistake. Okay. So in that way also you can do. When you're taking the LCM, it will be the whole square, 4 plus root 5. Okay. So in that way also you can expand or you can just rationalize it. Okay. Question number 13 here.
The final answer will be?
Actually, there's a little mistake. Instead of plus, there would be minus. And I know
that. But I got 7 plus 4 root 3.
Okay, that's why I'm not telling you the exact answer. Because the question was actually 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5 plus 4 plus root 5 by 4 minus root 5. And it is here plus only.
But according to our method, we got the answer right.
Yeah. In fact, if the question is little altered, so you can get the right answer. But right now, I cannot tell you the correct answer, what I have noted. Okay. So that's why I'm not telling you the answer. Okay.
Mom?
Yeah.
I think by mistake I wrote 4 plus root 5 upon 4 minus root 5.
Okay, then your answer will be 42 by 11.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Actually, the question was just only by mistake. And who have done the same way actually because of the question. So it's no doubt you will be getting the marks because you must have done the way I have taught you. Okay, that will be correct.
But ma'am, after that, in the question, it was also written that which is equals to a plus b root 3.
Is that so? Let me check.
Yes, ma'am. Simplify and after that equal to a plus b root 3.
Wait. Let me open the main question paper. Actually, I cannot. Which question it is? Question number 12. No, this simplification. Question number 12 is this much only, Shazan. Question number 12 is this much.
Okay,
just simplify. Okay. Just
I got the answer as 7 plus 4 root 3.
Okay. So it must be correct because here the question is wrong. So that's why.
No, ma'am. I got 21 minus 8 root 5 by 11. I was checking the 13 number. Okay.
No, I was telling you about 12. Okay. So 13. On question number 13, the same way you are going to rationalize the LHS and then you are going to compare the value. So the value of A will be, just let me tell, the value of A is, where I have written, A will be 7 and B will be 4.
Got the same answer, it's right.
Yeah, A will be 7, B will be 4. Okay, then you have to find out the value of A square plus B square, so it will be 65. So any doubt, anybody? Where I have... Got the answer? Question number 13?
Yes, ma'am.
14. The question number 14 is for evaluation. Now again, it is written n by 5 dot 3 to the power 2n plus 1. Now you can write 243 as, let me write here, 3 to the power 5, okay, multiplied by 3 2n plus 1 upon 9 can be written as 3 to the power 2n multiplied by 3 to the power n minus 1. Okay. After means getting this equation, the next term will be 3. This 5 will be cancelled to 3n multiplied by 3.
Actually, I'm getting the final answer of 13 number. Is it 11 or 121?
13 number. 13 number is A value is 7, B value is 4.
Yes, ma'am. 7 plus 4, 11, 11 square, 121.
You want the value of A and of the final answer, A square plus B square, you are asking.
Yeah.
It is 64. Why? What answer you
Ma'am,
got?
by mistake I squared 11.
Why 11 you put here? You got the value of A as 7 and B as 4. And after that, how can you put that? Just have to square and write. Okay, now question number 14. Now, if you will just expand, what you will get? Okay, the same. You will get here 3 to the power n. Okay, and the power is going to add. So, you will get 3n plus 1 upon
And
here.
the final answer will be 3 square.
3n plus 1. So, it will be 1 is in denominator, 1 it is in numerator. So, 3n plus 1 minus 3n minus 1. Okay, so it will be 3 to the power. Wait, 3n plus 1 it is not minus. Wait, oh sorry, that's why.
Somebody 3n plus 1 divided by 3n minus 1.
Yeah, it is here actually minus. So it will be plus. This will be cancelled. So you will get 3 to the power square, which is equal to 9. Okay. Now show that. Now here it is show that. So you have to prove. You have to take the LHS and then you have to prove for RHS. Now it's very easy. You can just expand it. AB. Okay, x to the power AB minus AC, and the denominator also you can bring above only. It will be minus BC plus CH. So everything will be cancelled. Okay, you'll get, not everything will be cancelled. It will be 50. It will
Ma'am,
be
what is the final answer of number 16?
16. Okay, 16 will be find the value of A and B if this minus this is equal to A plus root 5B. I'll tell you the answer. Answer number 16. I'll tell you from here. Answer number 16. Yeah, it's A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1. Shazan, have you got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am. A equal to 0, B equal to 1.
Yeah, very good. Now, question number 17. So 17, you have to rationalize all. Okay, first you have to rationalize A, then you have to rationalize B, and then put here in A square plus B square, and A cube minus B cube. Okay, so you will get the value of A plus, here it is written wrong. Okay.
Ma'am, what I did in found the value of A plus
A square plus B square will get 194, and A cube plus B cube you'll get 2702 in question number 17.
Ma'am, for A square, B square, it will be 216.
For A square plus B square, you will get 194. After rationalizing A, you must have got 7 plus 4 root 3. Okay, and when you have rationalized B, then you have got 7 minus 4 root 3. Okay, so the final answer for A square plus B square is 194.
Okay.
Okay, and A cube plus B cube is 2702. 2702. Right. Now in question number 18 also it is simplify. You have to simplify each and every term. Okay, everybody, all the terms you are going to simplify. Okay, either you can separate, please simplify and then
see ma'am, I think it's wrong. Ma'am, for the A plus B cube, ma'am, it will be 7 cube plus 7 cube. Now it will be 2744.
For second one?
Yeah.
Okay, I will check the value. Maybe it's wrong. It's not necessary that here it is printed correct. Okay, I'll tell you the exact answer. Okay, because this question I have not done it. Okay, so I'll tell you the exact answer. Until now, I was telling from my notebook. Okay, so question number 18. Either you can take single terms at a time and then you can rationalize it, and then in the final you can put the answer. Okay, and then the sign. Okay, like you have simplified the some term, then first term, second term, third term separately, and then you have put the answer of first term minus second plus third. Okay, or you can just simplify in a single go. Okay, like minus 3 by root 3 plus root 2 multiplied by root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2 minus. Okay, either you can do in one go only, in एक ही क्वेश्चन में सेम क्वेश्चन में आप कर सकते हो, और आप सेपरेटली तीनों टर्म को रैशनलाइज करके फिर एट द एंड आप आंसर रख सकते हो. ओके, बोथ वे यू कैन डू. ओके, द फाइनल आंसर आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. The final answer is here. 6 root 2 minus 5 root 3. Okay, 6 root 2 minus 5 root 3. This type of question we have done in the class also. Okay, where there was 3 or 4 terms. Find the value of, now this one I think Razi already asked this question, I've explained. Now in the end again you have to rationalize. You can take root 7 plus root 3 in one bracket minus root 2. So when you are rationalizing, so you will multiply and divide by root 7 plus root 3 plus root 2 in the numerator and the denominator. Okay, and then you'll get the answer. By after rationalizing. So the final term that you will get will be 3 root 3 minus 4 root 2 plus 4 root 2, root 42 minus root 7 by 10. Any doubt? Especially any question? Anybody want the full explanation where I have listed? Okay.
I'm going to tell the final answer of 18.
18. Final answer. I think I have told you the final answer. Wait.
Ma'am, in the 18th one, we just basically had to rationalize it, right?
Yeah, only you have to rationalize. Either, Advika, what you can do, you can take each and every term separately and rationalize, or you can take in one line only. Okay, in the same question, you can just simply rationalize. Like it is written 18. You can write 3 by root 3 plus root 2 multiplied by root 3 minus root 2.
Ma'am, can you tell the final answer of the 20th one actually?
20?
Yes, 19th you've done already, no?
Yeah, and then you have to put 3, just 1 minute. I just show Advika, plus root 3 multiplied by root 6 minus root 3 and root 6 minus root 3. Okay, I'll just separate here. And in here only you can write 4 root 3 upon 6 plus root 2 multiplied by 6 minus root 2 upon 6 minus root 2, like this. Okay, and in every step you can just solve it. Okay, in the denominator you will get the value in a square minus b square. Okay, now Aram, which question answer you are asking?
20th.
20. So 20th will be, let's tell you final answer, 3 root 3 minus, here it will be, okay, final answer I am writing here. Bit different, and I will write 3 root 3 minus 4 root 2 plus root 42 plus root 7 upon 10. Okay, this is your final answer. Okay, I'm just telling you the final answer. Wait, sorry, this is your final answer for this. Any?
I got 4 wrong.
No ways. If you're getting wrong, that's not bad. You just have to be careful. Get wrong here, but not in your final exams. Okay, just be sure that you don't make any mistakes there.
Some of the questions I got wrong.
Yeah. So I think we should switch to class. Now we have almost our class time ended in this discussion only. Okay. And soon I will be scheduling your test for POM also, because 2-3 tests are pending. POM, COG, and then you will complete your linear equation also. Okay. So let's come to linear equalities. Okay. Till now, any problem in this chapter? Equation of lines. Okay. Into variable. Okay. Before this class, we have learned about, yes.
I'm not able to understand the word problems of linear equation into variable.
Word problems.
Yes, ma'am, I'm having problem with that.
Okay. So word problems like you are not able to find like this. Just a minute. Wait. Okay. Now here, if you see Shazan.
So, ma'am, word problems are like a little bit confusing at first, but it's okay.
So first of all, whenever you are starting, okay, try to find out what value is not known. Okay, actually, they are talking about which values. Okay, like here in this question, example number 3, just a, okay, like here, the parking charges of a car in a parking lot is rupees 30. Okay, so here it is asking about charges, but it is telling you that the fixed charge parking lot is rupees 30 for first 2 hours. Okay, so for first 2 hours, rupees 30 is there. Okay, now for rupees 10 per hour for the subsequent hour. Okay, so if after 2 hours they are waiting for 6 hours, they are waiting for 7 hours, so they have to pay for per hour 10 rupees. Okay, so taking total parking time to be X hour. Okay, so here you can see here that the total parking time is assumed at X hour and total charges as Y. Okay, so here it is mentioned to you. Okay, Shazan, that you have to take hour in as X and your charges as Y. Okay. So you can get a linear equation into variable where X is for time and Y is for your charges. Okay. Now here, as you can see, how can you form the equation? So for first 2 hours, you know that you have to pay rupees 30. So for 30, you will be there. 30 will be there. So 30 plus, and for the rest hour, you are going to pay rupees 10. And total hour that the car was in the parking was X. Okay. Jitne kitni der ke liye car thi aapki parking mein, that was X hour. Okay. So what we are going to do from X hour, we are going to minus 2. Because for 2 hours, the first 2 hours, we have to pay 30 and we have added that 30 here. Okay. So for rest hours, what it will be? X minus 2. Okay. So you will multiply 10 rupees to X minus 2. Okay. And the whole answer will be equal to Y because the total charges that we have paid is Y. Okay. Similarly, any else? Any other question is there for? Okay. Now in question number 8. Okay. Have you got the assignment? Shazan, have you gone through the assignment?
Yes, that is why I am.
A2, I think A2 assignment.
Maybe.
COG.
No, not COG. I am asking about LEQ.
So
I think
zero.
only one assignment has been given. Let me see. The one assignment I have allotted.
Went to LEQ.
Only one assignment you have done, huh? The second assignment you will get after this class, okay? So in that assignment, go through and try to just figure out, okay? Else I will discuss the whole assignment in the class, okay? That how you have to go through, okay? Whenever you are doing the problem sums, okay? One more was there, no? Let me check here. Okay, like here, you have to figure out for which quantity is unknown and what quantity is means they are talking about. Like if you read question number 8, the force exerted to pull a cart is directly proportional to the acceleration produced in the body. So it is telling you that the force exerted to the cart is directly proportional to the acceleration exerted. Okay, so F is directly proportional to A. So whenever we are going to remove this proportional sign into equal to sign, we have to insert a constant here. Okay, because it is proportional, not equal. So whenever we are going to put, so we are going to put Ka, but we actually already know that force is equal to Ma. So we are going to write here Ma. Okay. But if it is a general question, then you can insert a K, okay, where you can assume that K is an integer, okay. And in this question, it was already mentioned to you express a statement as a linear equation 2 variable by taking the constant mass equal to 6. So the constant that the constant that we are inserting instead to remove that proportionality, that it is telling you here mass, you take it as mass, and which will be equal to 6. So your equation will form here F is equal to 6A. Okay, and A value is also given to you meter per second squared. So you have to go for two values, 5 and 6. When you will put 5, what will be the value of F? When you will put 6, what will be the value of F? Okay, now let me check the assignment questions. Wait, I will tell you 2-3 more questions. Okay, what I will do, you will get the assignment after this class. Okay. Tomorrow, in fact, in the assignment class, you'll get the assignment. Okay, so we can discuss that assignment in the upcoming class. Okay, there you'll get mostly the numerical questions. The statement questions. Okay, because right now in this iPad it is not there. Okay, otherwise I would have. Let me check. Okay, anybody else is facing problem in this statement questions?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, actually statement questions are a little bit to figure out. Okay, just let me choose 1 through questions. Okay, like here, if I say the price of 2 pens and 5 pencils is rupees 60. Okay, let me write here. Oh, shit. What I remove from here? Wait, and it's a forward thing. I will example. Okay, I will insert a page here. Now, question. Okay, now I'm writing a question here. The price of 2 pens and 5 pencils is rupees 60. Okay, now draw the graph after forming a linear equation. Okay, now in this question, the price of 2 pen and 5 pencil is rupees 60. Okay, now you have to draw the graph. Okay, now tell me what will be. Yes,
I can take the value of 1 pen.
Yes, price of 1 pen as X rupees and price of 1 pencil is equal to Y rupees. Okay, now it is told, it is written the price of 2 pens, price of 2 pen and 5 pencil. So 2x plus 5y is equal to 60. Okay, so this is your equation. Any doubt in the question?
No.
Similarly, I can give you more statement question. The path of now this one is little complicated, so I cannot say, but yeah. The path of a train A, the path of a train A is given by the equation. Okay, 2x minus 3y is equal to 17, and path of another train B is given by the linear equation 4x 6y is equal to 18. Represent the above situation graphically and write your observation. Okay, so the path of a train A is given by the equation this, and the path of the another train B is given by the linear equation this. So this you have to solve both the equation. In fact, in the above situation graphically and write it. Now this question is not that way. And equation of 2 lines passing through this from the choices. Okay, you must have faced problem here. Like, okay, 4.1 only you have faced problem, everybody, I think. Yes? Can I? Wait a minute. Okay, I'll just give you a discussion. Do you have your assignment papers? I cannot just place here right now. Some issue. So your question number 2 was there in from a bus stand in Delhi. If we buy 2 tickets to Agra and 3 tickets to Mathura, the total cost is 440. Who can tell me the
No, this was today's paper.
today's paper?
Yes. Instead of chemistry, there was maths today. And this was the paper.
So this was you have not got this assignment before.
Yes, ma'am. Nobody I think has done it.
So everybody has done LEQ A1 assignment paper today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's have a quick discussion. My time is also over. Okay, so in this question, if you see from a bus stand, if we buy 2 tickets to Agra and 3 tickets to Mathura, the total cost is 440. So you can assume that the cost of a ticket to Delhi is X and the cost of the ticket to Agra is Y. Then what will be the equation? 2x plus 3y is equal to 440. Okay, now similarly, if I say the cost of a book, the next question, the cost of a book is rupees 20, more than twice the cost of a pen. Okay, now listen to me. The question, the cost of a book is rupees 20 more. So 20 rupees is more than twice the cost of a pen. Okay, so you have to assume the cost of the book and the cost of the pen. Okay, understood? So the cost of a book is 20 more. So y, you can assume that cost of the book is y. So y will be equal to 20 plus twice the cost of a pen plus 2x. You can assume the cost of a pen is x. So 2x. Okay, 20 plus 2x. Everybody got it? Okay, so you have to read the Shazan. Okay, so you have to practice with your
yes, ma'am.
Okay, try to read what it is telling and what you find missing. Okay, like here in this question, when I read that the cost of a book is rupees 20 more than twice the cost of a pen, express this statement as a linear equation. So आप क्वेश्चन में देख रहे हो कि आपको प्राइस दिया गया, और प्राइस किसका दिया गया है, एग्जैक्टली भी आपको प्राइस किसी चीज का नहीं दिया गया. ओके, सो यू हैव टू assume the price and 2 things are here, and always as it is a linear equation in 2 variable, you'll get 2 variables here. Okay, so cost of a book is also not known to you and the cost of a pen is also not known. Okay, so you are going to assume it. Okay, x, y, anything. Okay, but generally we write the equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. That's why I'm assuming the cost of a book is y and the cost of a pen is x. Okay, so y is equal to 20 more than twice the cost of a pen. So twice the cost of a pen means what? 2x and 20 more. So you are going to add 20 here. Okay, similarly 5 years ago Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. So how can you write this? That 5 years ago. Okay, so 5 years ago, it is talking about 5 years back time. Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. So you have to assume that Noori age is x and Sonu age is Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. Yeah, so Noori age you can say y and Sonu age you can say x, and then you have to form the equation. Okay, if you try doing this all question, then only you can figure out how you have to how you have to form the equation. Okay, try to do it, and still if you're facing a problem, okay, then come back with the questions where you are exactly facing problem. Okay, and then we'll discuss those questions. Fine, we are still left with the topic of your linear equation. I have to complete only 2 little topics. Okay, then in next class I will complete it. Okay, and we are going after this we will start with Euclid's geometry. Okay, in Euclid's geometry nothing is there, only postulates and axioms are there. It's just the theory portion. Okay, so before the class just go through your handouts. Okay, there's nothing like some questions you have to solve. You just have to remember the postulate and the axiom. According to that only, there are very general postulates and axioms are there. Okay, so you just have to go through those, you have to remember them, and you have to apply those postulates and axioms. Okay, nothing else.
Was that axioms?
Yeah, maybe I'm pronouncing, I think I'm not wrong, axioms.
Oh, then it's axiom. Okay.
Yeah, so postulate and axioms are there. Okay, so that only is there, so you have to go through that. Okay, and there are mostly learning part is there, all theories there. You have to learn some general axioms are there, like if equal is one quantity is equal to another quantity, and if you're adding something to the both the quantities, then this, the whole will be equal to each other, something like that. The general things are there. Okay, so just go through the handouts before the class and we'll just discuss all those postulates and all. Okay, so I'm ending here.